And this one really triggers people. So this is my cat Prismo. As you can see, he is a very lovely, sweet kitty. So we adopted him when he was only a few weeks old. His mother died. He was a stray cat. And we have had him for over a year now. So he's about a year and 3-4 months old. So almost a year and a half, and he's been on a vegan diet the entire time we've had him for over a year. And as you can see, he is not dead. He is quite alive. You're alive, right? Tell everybody that you're alive. Oh my god, he's not saying anything. There must be something wrong. Is it his vegan diet? Or, oh no, wait, no. I don't think cats talk normally. So yeah, I think he's a normal functioning cat. As you can see, he's quite alive and quite fine. He is a big, strong kitty who doesn't want to be here right now, but he's a good cat. Prismo was a cat. We have 2 dogs. Prismo and Bimo are the cats. Prismo's dead now. And as you can see, he is not dead. Prismo's dead now.